Hello and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find that linky stuff. Notification bell, because reasons. Let's rock.
I think it's a decent idea, and I want to make more of these. But in order to do that, so I have symmetry, so I can mill that lip, I had to go get a new toy. I never do unboxings. I'm not very good at them. Show you how good I am, I had the box upside down to you. Anyway, Bauer, 8-inch, 5-speed, and I had to move the bench, so I got a spot to put it. Get a knife. I can get that more symmetrical. I had to grab one more little accessory, 4-inch vise. No bolts. Awesome. Nothing lines up. That does not seem right. Thought I bought the wrong piece. Googled 8-inch Bauer and the vise accessory. Well, that's what it is, but it off center. That doesn't seem very safe to me. I just thought that they made a smaller one. They don't. I Googled. Work with what you got.
This has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.